ఇటు అమరావతికి చట్టబద్ధత బిల్లును రాజ్యసభలో కేంద్ర హోంశాఖ సహాయ మంత్రి నిత్యానందరాయ్ ప్రవేశపెట్టగా కాంగ్రెస్ ఎంపీ రేణుకా చౌదరి బిల్లుపై చర్చ ప్రారంభించారు. అమరావతికి చట్టబద్ధత బిల్లు ప్రవేశపెట్టడం రైతుల విజయమన్న రేణుకా చౌదరి ఉద్యమ సమయంలో రైతులను, మహిళలను తీవ్రంగా హింసించారని గుర్తు చేశారు. ఏపీ రాజధానిపై 12 ఏళ్లుగా అస్పష్టత ఉందని, కమరావతి అన్న అది ప్రజా రాజధాని అని రేణుకా వ్యాఖ్యానించారు. విభజన హామీల్లో చాలా వరకు పెండింగ్లోనే ఉన్నాయని, విశాఖ రైల్వే డివిజన్కు 12 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత మోక్షం లభించిందని ఎంపీ రేణుకా చౌదరి అన్నారు.
Not just a procedural delay, there has been developmental damage. Let them announce it in the schedule, sir. They have to say it. It's not enough to say Amravati. It was Amravati anyway. I had told the then Chief Minister, Pettara Peru, Amravati, Lakpate Pelavara Peru, Kamaravati. Pettu Peru, I have called it. So if he has the audacity to say that, let them have the courage to implement that, sir. Please do it. And what is it cannot claim the centre today that they have solved a big political problem. They have done nothing. This is cosmetic touch which they have given us. At the ground level, Mr. Now he has to run off somewhere because it's very urgent. Commerce is the one that's hit the most in Telangana. Polavaram remains. बैठ जाइए मंत्री जी, थोड़ा सब्र करिए और सुनने का हौसला रखिए.
पीयूष जी, you take your seat.
Polavaram remains unfinished and repeatedly revised.
Piyush Goyal ji, you want to sit?
This is the seriousness of their situation, sir. This is how they listen to the South. This is how they listen to the South. The entire commerce is tough in Andhra. But this is, and you're allowing it, sir. You should summon the minister and tell him to sit down. You have the power. You have to protect us also.
No, I am protecting you.
Where
he
are
has
you
already gone out.
He's left.
You please. Your time is limited now. Please conclude.
Sir, the special category status is not written into the 2014 Reorganization Act. But the centre has acknowledged that the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji started in Rajya Sabha on 20th February 2014. AP will get it for 5 years to steady its finances. Now all this has been destroyed. So I am repeating again, have a transparent procedure, have accountability, have a time-bound action plan, resolve the issues which have not been done for so long, bring the 5 mandals into Telangana because that's where they belong and the Lord's land is there, and that they should have accountability and compensate for the loss of finance, unemployment.
Please conclude.